Hey guys, good evening all, and I welcome on behalf of Sealing Solutions today. Let me introduce ourselves. We are Sealing Solutions and we provide a wide range of products which are used in agriculture implements. So, we have a range of oil seals, we have a range of cassette seals, leaf seals, precision components, as well as we have a very special category of mechanical phase seals. So today I am going to cover the introduction session of mechanical phase seals as well as the product range which we are having at the moment to serve the mechanical phase seals for agriculture implements. So let us now start with the introduction session. Basically people ask me what is a mechanical phase seals or what are mechanical phase seals. So Mechanical phase seals are basically heavy duty seals, or many people also call this as floating seals. These are metal to metal phase seals which consist of two metal rings as well as two rubber rings. So the beauty of this product is whenever we call or whenever we discuss about a seal, there is a product comes in our mind that it should be a rubber component. Though metal phase seal or a mechanical phase seal also contains of a rubber product, but the beauty of this product is the metal to metal contact is happening, and this metal to metal contact itself plays a primary sealing, as well as the O-rings are only for the secondary sealings and to maintain the contact pressure on the metal faces. So coming to the range of products for the rotavators, so we have a wide range of mechanical phase seals for rotavator hub assemblies. Uh, the value addition which Sealing Solutions gives you is a quality engineered mechanical phase seals. We have a export quality. We have a wide range of mechanical phase seals from 100 millimeter, below 100 millimeter diameter till 1.3 meter diameters. Sealing Solutions mechanical phase seals is guaranteed performance. We are supplying worldwide for the agriculture implement applications. So we have a very fine quality. And we have a 24/7 assistance available with us, whether it is a quality, it is a delivery, or any sorts of assistance is required. So Sealing Solution team is already available at for assistance 24/7. So for rotavator phase seals, we have all sorts of brands available with us. So we have Mashio, Sonalika, Mahindra, Farmer, Hova, Tafe, Lancer. So let us now come to the mechanical phase seals for harvesters. So apart from the rotavators, we have a wide range of mechanical phase seals which are used in harvester, especially for the rollers, for the track mounted harvester or the paddy harvesters. So we have a quality engineered product for the harvester roller seals. We have an export quality of product. We are already supplying to all global locations for the harvester applications. Uh, Sealing solution mechanical phase seals are guaranteed performance, and we have a 24/7 assistance for the harvester phase seal solutions. So we have all sorts of cross references. So we have a wide range of harvester phase seals available for Claas, Kartar, Shaktiman, Preet, as well as Ace harvesters. So I hope you guys liked today's introduction session as well as the details which we have given you about the mechanical phase seals. So for more details and to be in touch with us, you may log on to our webpage, that is www.sealingsolutions.org, and we will keep you posted with our new range of products very soon. So thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you and have a nice day.